Hello, this is Aaron Heldreth, and I will be covering SARCs, or School Accountability Report Cards. To begin, we'll go over what is a SARC, or a School Accountability Report Card. So, in a nutshell, it's a collection of school data and information. It started back in November of 1988, passed into California state law, and it was concerning all schools receiving state funds. So basically anybody who's getting money from the state has to fill out this information and distribute its results. And it also must be updated every year. So what kind of data or information are collected inside of this report card? There's demographical data, school safety climate information, academic data, school completion rates, class sizes, teacher and staff information, curriculum and instruction descriptions, post-secondary preparation information, as well as your financial and expenditure data. So when looking into the actual information about SARCs, the main place that I found was right on the California Department of Education website. I've listed a few different links to a few particular sections in regards to SARC, either regarding from the parent's perspective or the school's perspective. The first link that I've included here will take you straight to the Parent's Guide to SARC, or School Accountability Report Cards. So this will give parental specific information on, what kind of information is inside a SARC, what the data is that they're going to be looking at, information on where they can actually get a report card, and additional links to other public school information for them inside that parental guide. The next link that I included was on the school side. So for right here, this link will take you straight to the same CDE website, but this will be for the school preparation guide side. So this is more designed for the schools to look at for how they can, get everything done and instituted for the SARC. So there you can find information on how to register as a SARC coordinator, how to become familiar with the different web pages, how to prepare the SARCs themselves, how and where to post the SARCs, and as well as how to notify the parents. One interesting thing that I found while I was looking was that the SARC is actually available in multiple languages. Following this link here, as far as the translation guide, the state has actually translated the parental guide into 23 different languages. Some of them include Spanish, Chinese, Japanese, Arabic, and many more. So you can find the whole list right here if you just click on that link. And on this would be the main SARC page where you can get all the different information. And there they had just kind of some overarching information to include some of the other stuff I already went over, but the additional kind of tidbits I found interesting were the links to the actual legislation, some of their data files. They had information for non-public schools, and as well as like other FAQs, or frequently asked questions sections. Overall, I found it pretty interesting. It's mainly just a big compilation of information and data that can be used either for schools or for the parents. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed the presentation.